Hi, Jeremy Jones here. I am at Muddy River in Toowoomba today. Just going to introduce you to the features and benefits of our new Horsch Lieb 8400 VL. So 8,000 liter main tank, 400 horsepower, lots of big features on this machine to cover. In this video, we'll discuss the application options that are available with the Horsch sprayers. On this 48 meter boom, we have it plumbed on 50 centimeter spacing with Raven Hawkeye 2 PWM nozzle control. That ensures that our application rate remains constant regardless of the speed we travel. It also gives us more control over the droplet size of that spray application to ensure that we're not going to be causing a lot of off-target application. Horsch also offers an auto select system, so we can use tiered air to switch between nozzles. We do have the option on the narrower boom, so 36 meter boom, that we can run 25 centimeter nozzle spacing. That becomes increasingly important as we run a low boom. Because we can put the boom that low, that 25 centimeter nozzle spacing ensures that we're not going to get gaps between those 110 degree nozzles and give us the best application that's available. It also works in with a lot of the camera systems that are coming to market to ensure that we're future-proofing the builds as we're doing the right thing for chemical application. In this video, we'll discuss the tire and track width options on the Horsch Lieb sprayers. Now, this machine has come to us on 480 VF tires. The axle on the machine that we're looking at now is hydraulically adjustable from 2.6 to 3.5 meters. Now, that's adjustable from the cab in 1 centimeter increments. That's important if we're aiming for a true 3 meter track width. Most sprayers that are on the market can't do that. They're slightly outside of that, meaning that they're limited to the tire width that they're able to run. We can run from a 380 up to a 900 wide tire, and we can ensure that we're running on that 3 meter increment. Now, if we want to ensure that we're running between rows, we've also got a camera mounted above the wheel. That camera goes up to the monitor in the cab, so as we're driving, we can press a button and see where that wheel is running to ensure that we're not damaging any crops. We've got a few different options for track width adjustment. We can do a fixed 2 meter axle. We're looking at a 2 to 3 meter hydraulically adjustable axle. We've also got the option for growers wanting to go wider with a 3 to 4 meter hydraulically adjustable axle. So lots of different configurations to fit all farming requirements. In this video, we'll look at the suspension and a few of the options surrounding it on this Horsch sprayer. Now, each of these wheels has an airbag. We control the air pressure with ride height valves that are on each one to ensure that we get that proper ride. We've got shock absorbers as well as dampeners on each of those wheels as well. We've got 2 or 4 cab airbag suspension depending on the model that we get, but it ensures that the rider or the operator is getting a very comfortable ride during that spraying operation. The seats also air ride, so extremely high on comfort. If we want to minimize crop damage, you'll see that we've got 4-wheel steer on this machine. Now, it's a standard feature on them. You don't have to use 4-wheel steer if it's not something that you need for your spraying operation, but if we're doing any kind of irrigation, row crop work, and we do want to be careful coming out of those rows, 4-wheel steer will engage under a certain speed, ensure that we're not trampling anything on the ends as we get into the next row. So lots of great features around the drive system of this machine. In this video, we'll look at the cab on the Horsch sprayer. Now, very good visibility out of this machine. We've got our boom folded, ready for transport, and I've got perfect visibility out of this window. We don't have any booms coming up past, blocking my view and being a bit of an issue when we're traveling. So great visibility. With that cab forward design, we get great balance in the machine. Now, on our handpiece, we've got the ability to start our sprayer, engage our height control. We can pre-program speeds that we want to spray to. Just very easy to operate without moving too much around. This is our entire drive system right here, so very easy to operate. If we're more comfortable moving off a foot pedal around the yard, we have the ability to engage that foot pedal using a switch, and then we can move it around a shed, and it's very easy to control the machine. Our 4-wheel steer is available right here, so again, everything's nice and easy to operate. We've got our display where we got most of the smarts for the machine, so we can adjust our track width on the go to see where everything is at, and we've also got our cameras mounted up on the screen up front. So we have a rear vision camera. As we're backing up, it'll show us what we've got behind machine, and then we can also toggle to our wheel camera that will show us exactly where our wheel is running in regards to where our row is placed. Boom stability is very important for any spraying application. In this northern region, we're often tasked with spraying in contour banks, melon hole country, lots of rolling conditions. One of the great features about this sleeve is the ability to spray with the boom low, lower than any other sprayer on the market. And to accomplish that, they run 6 or 8 of these height control sensors, depending how we configure it, to ensure that we can keep the boom nice and stable